Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the device and tools so you don't get stuck later. Enable developer options and turn on USB debugging, then connect to a PC with a DB from the Android SDK platform tools. Make a full backup of important files, and if you have root, create an Android or copy/system. Once done, confirm a DB recognizes your device with a DB devices. If it doesn't show, toggle debugging or drivers and try a different cable. You now perform the middle technical steps where permissions matter. If you only need a user visible name, change it in settings or run a DB shell settings, put global device name, my phone, instant, and reversible. For deeper identifiers like model or manufacturer, you need root. Remount/system read write, pull/system/build. Prop, edit lines such as row, product, model and row, product, manufacturer. Push the file back and set correct file permissions. Make sure to understand why. System properties affect app compatibility and device reporting. You finish by validating changes and handling issues. Reboot the device and check about device name and run a DB shell getprop row. Product, model to confirm edits. If apps behave oddly, clear app caches or reinstall affected apps. Some apps read cached fingerprint data. If the device won't boot after modifying build. Prop, immediately boot recovery and restore your Nandroid backup or restore the original build. Prop via a DB sideload.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.